Hey Cara, it's Tuesday and I'm gonna post a video and I'm gonna wear my glasses because I can't see anything without them, even though there's glare here. I'm sorry about the glare. Today is my last day of school. I just took my last exam at 8:45 this morning and I got done at like 9:45, and so pretty happy with the way everything turned out. I think I did pretty well, answered all the questions, stuff like that. My eyes look really weird today and I don't like that. So I'm moving out today. Look at this. Raw. That's right, that's all my shit. I'm going home and it's gonna be great. Oh my gosh, really, what is wrong with my eyes? Okay, so I'm going home tonight. My brother's picking me up and I'm so excited to see all my friends and family at home. But I'm also gonna miss all my friends here. Lauren, I know you watch my videos and I love you and I'm gonna miss you so much, and you're a beautiful human being, and I will definitely let you know about the situation for next year when everything is all figured out. And for all the other YouTube viewers out there, I know that you don't know what the situation is, and I don't want to tell you because it's not for sure or anything yet, so, Cara, we haven't posted on here in a while, and I feel like college has been crazy. I know you've been going through a lot, and I know I've been going through a lot, and we just haven't been able to find ourselves on this channel very often, but I hope that will change once summer starts, and I hope you will post more videos and I will post more videos on here and we can have super awesome fun times. I just dropped my glasses. Whoops. I'm so excited about summer. I'm gonna get a full-time job hopefully and make some money because I need to make some money. Oh my gosh, I need to show you something. It made me so happy today. My friend did this project for one of her art classes, and she had to bind a book, and she had to find stuff to put together into this book, and it is called Stars and Spots, and it is a compilation of some of my short stories and poetry. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful it is, though. Like, seriously? Christina, I love you. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at that. It makes me so happy. This is my first book. This is my first book. I can't wait until this is, like, big publishing and stuff. And I get to be like, oh my gosh, look at the cover of my new book. Why do I always do that? Make all the weird sounds. Always all the weird sounds, Cara. Always. But anywho, I hope you're having a great time. I saw that you're going to Europe, or you're in Europe or something with Europe, so I hope you're having a good time in Europe. I love you. I love you, Cara. I hope you're having a great time, and hopefully I will see you soon.